And we have Rosario making a flambe coffee. And we have the staff looking on. And she's heating the glass. And now what are you putting in? Kahlua?
Sí, licor de café.
A little Kahlua in the glass. Now we're going to heat the spoon. Then oh, what's that? Whipped cream? Oh, whipped cream. Oh, that looks good. Oh, now we're heating the... We're heating the silver servers. And what is it that you're pouring in there? Brandy? Okay. Don't try this at home because I think it may end in disaster. Whoa! Wonderful. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Very nice. And so the fire is just burning off the alcohol, right? And now we pour it into the glass. Oh my goodness. How exciting. And now we're going to add coffee. And there we have it. And what is this called? Spanish coffee? Spanish coffee. And there we have it. And what are you putting on there now? A little bit of cinnamon. Oh, perfecto. Excelente. Gracias.